Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn and Chill English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. Today, we're talking about something delicious, food. We'll learn how to talk about what you eat every day, your meals, and your favorite foods.
If you love food and learning English, make sure to subscribe so you can practice with us every day.
Let's start with the question, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
You can answer, I eat cereal. I eat eggs. I drink coffee.
Or, I eat bread and butter. I drink milk. I have juice.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I eat cereal. I eat eggs. I drink coffee. I have juice.
Good job! You can also say, for breakfast, I usually eat, and then your food. For example, for breakfast, I usually eat fruit and yogurt.
Yes, let's try some examples. For breakfast, I usually eat cereal. For breakfast, I usually eat toast and eggs. For breakfast, I usually drink tea.
Now, let's move to lunch. You can ask, what do you usually eat for lunch?
You can answer, I eat rice and chicken. I eat salad. I drink water.
Or, I have soup. I eat pasta. I like sandwiches.
Let's repeat. I eat rice and chicken. I eat pasta. I have soup. I like sandwiches.
Nice! You can also say, for lunch, I sometimes eat pizza. I never eat fast food. I usually drink juice.
That's right. The words usually, sometimes, and never help you talk about how often you eat something.
Let's practice. I usually eat rice. I sometimes eat salad. I never drink soda.
Great. Now, let's talk about dinner. What do you usually eat for dinner?
You can say, I eat soup, I eat pasta, I drink tea, I have rice and fish.
Let's repeat. I eat soup. I eat pasta. I have rice and fish.
Perfect. Dinner is often lighter than lunch, so you can also say, I usually eat something light. Or, I have bread and milk for dinner.
Let's make a short conversation. What do you usually eat for dinner, Sam?
I usually eat soup or salad. What about you?
I eat rice with vegetables or chicken.
Yum, that sounds good.
Yes, you can also ask your friends, do you like pasta or rice? Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you eat meat or vegetables?
Let's practice some of those. Do you like pasta or rice?
I like pasta.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink coffee.
Do you eat meat or vegetables?
I eat vegetables. Perfect. You can also use and to connect two foods. I eat rice and beans. I drink tea and juice. I eat bread and eggs.
And remember, to sound natural, don't rush. Speak slowly and clearly, just like we do here.
Let's do one more practice section, a little daily food routine.
In the morning, I eat cereal and drink coffee. At lunch, I eat rice and chicken. In the evening, I eat soup and bread.
Now repeat after us slowly. In the morning, I eat cereal and drink coffee. At lunch, I eat rice and chicken. In the evening, I eat soup and bread.
Excellent! You can also change the foods. For example, in the morning, I eat fruit. At lunch, I eat pasta. In the evening, I drink milk.
Good job. Now let's review all the new phrases we learned today.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? I eat cereal. I drink coffee. I eat eggs.
What do you usually eat for lunch? I eat rice. I eat pasta. I have soup.
What do you usually eat for dinner? I eat salad. I drink tea. I eat vegetables.
And don't forget, you can use I usually,
I sometimes, I never to talk about your habits.
Exactly. For example, I usually eat healthy food. I sometimes eat fast food. I never skip breakfast.
Perfect. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what do you usually eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
We'd love to read your answers. And remember, the best way to learn English is to use it every day.
Thanks for joining us today on Learn and Chill English.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.